Progressive Muscle Relaxation for Sleep, a step-by-step guide. Do you struggle with falling asleep, especially when stressed or anxious or in pain? A lot of my patients do, and this exercise called progressive muscle relaxation helps them. It also helps me. So, progressive muscle relaxation will help you shut your brain off at night, decrease pain, and relax to fall asleep naturally. Would you like me to walk you through this progressive muscle relaxation so you can fall asleep easier? Then stay with me for this step by step guide. Hello, Dr. Rozina here, helping you nurture a happy and healthy mind. I've been helping people with stress, anxiety, and depression over the last 20 years as a medical doctor specializing in psychiatry, as a best-selling author, and a motivational speaker. I started Happy and Healthy Mind because I believe a lot of suffering can be prevented with mind training. I share practical tips for your mental fitness here so you don't have to suffer unnecessarily. If you find value in this program, like, subscribe, and share so more people could live a happier and healthier life. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step of this powerful exercise to calm your brain and help you drift to sleep while listening to my voice. Before you start, why don't you enter in the comment section how many days a week you have problems falling asleep? That way you can come back after practicing this exercise for a few days and let me know how much this exercise has helped you. So before you start, prepare for sleep by following the sleep hygiene techniques. I shared those techniques in my other video, How to Sleep Naturally. If you have not watched that, you can use the link given in the description to listen to it. Because in this video, I'm only going to walk you through the progressive muscle relaxation exercise, which is one of the tools I discussed in that program. So this exercise works best if you're ready to sleep and you have darkened the room. So you may listen to my voice on your phone, but keep the phone upside down so the light from the screen doesn't disturb you. So darken the room, lay down in your bed, close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths and notice, bring attention to your body and see how it feels as you breathe in and out. Now bring attention to your feet. You can wiggle your toes or make your feet tight and let go. And tell yourself, my feet are relaxing. My feet are totally relaxed. Then bring attention to your legs, both your thighs and calves, and make them tight and let it go. And feel that relaxation. And say to yourself, my legs are relaxing. My legs are totally relaxed. Now bring attention to your hips and make them tight and let it go. And feel that relaxation in your hip muscles. And tell yourself, my hip is relaxing. My hip muscles are totally relaxed. Now bring attention to your stomach or your abdominal cavity and make those muscles tight and let them go. And say, my stomach is relaxing. My stomach muscles are totally relaxed. Now bring attention to your back and feel the tightness in your back and let it go. And say to yourself, my back is relaxing. My back muscles are totally relaxed. Now bring attention to your chest and make the chest muscles tight and hold it and let it go. And tell yourself, my chest muscles are relaxing. My chest muscles are totally relaxed. Now bring attention to your shoulders and hunch your shoulders and feel the tension and let it go. Say to yourself, my shoulders are relaxing. My shoulders are totally relaxed. Now bring attention to your arms and feel the tension in your arms and let it go. My arms are relaxing. My arms are totally relaxed. Now make the fist tight. Hold them tight, 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 and let it go. And feel the relaxation in your hands. And say to yourself, my hands are relaxing. My hands are totally relaxed. Now bring attention to your lower face and make your jaws tight. And let it go. And tell yourself, my jaws are relaxed. Bring attention to your upper face and bring the tension by squeezing your eyes and holding, and letting go. Tell yourself, my upper face is relaxing. My upper face is totally relaxed. Now make the whole body tight, 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 as if you were a piece of wood. Tight, tight, and let it go. And feel the tension going from your head, from your body, from your legs, down in the earth or on the bed if you're laying, and feel the whole body relaxed. And enjoy that relaxed feeling. And if you are falling asleep, just allow yourself to drift to sleep. If you're still not able to sleep, tell yourself, I cannot force sleep to come over me, but I can provide the best environment for sleep to come over me. So if this exercise is not helping, go to my other video where I talk about other techniques to help you fall asleep. Try those exercises and hopefully you'll be able to fall asleep. And if you don't fall asleep, at least you'll get your mind and your body rest so you can be the best the next day. And if you need help, then approach your healthcare professional. Wishing you a restful, peaceful sleep. Till next time, Dr. Rozina.